Another day, another Zoho Recruit video. Today, we'll be showing you how to manage a job opening in your Zoho Recruit application. For more easy tutorials and videos like this, stay updated by subscribing and tapping on that bell icon.
In the model job openings or vacancies, you could see a list of all your vacancies. You could easily filter them and see hot vacancies, locked vacancies, or open. Also, you could see here more details as posting title, assigned recruiter, target date, vacancy status, address, job type, industry, client name. The layout of each vacancy could be customized, and you could add more custom fields if needed. You could see here details, you could see salary, you could see requirements, number of open positions. You could also change status if needed. You could see job description. You could see notes, timeline, and attachments.
Wasn't that easy? That was a short tutorial on how to manage a job opening in Zoho Recruit. If this video was helpful, let us know by pressing the like icon, subscribing, and sharing it with people you know. For questions and clarifications, you can reach us at knowhow@customerization.ca.